Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off feedbacks on your account on TikTok on email notification settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Now click notifications and here you will find email notifications. Click on it and here as you see you will find feedback. Just click like this and it will be turned off, and that's how to turn off feedback on email notifications, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.